Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Monday, May 15th, 2023. If you're an individual affected by a layoff, or if you're a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now, on to today's headlines. Legal tech has been one of the hardest hit industries in the US relative to size since the initial COVID-19 job flurry faded into layoffs mid last year. Since June 2022, legal tech companies have laid off more than 2,000 employees, according to analysis by Law 360 Pulse. And those layoffs are not over yet, with e-discovery provider Everlaw laying off 50 employees, or 10% of its workforce, late last week. In more tech news, while larger companies have been quiet since the massive Microsoft layoffs last week, smaller startups continue to be heavily impacted as well. Over the weekend, it was discovered that Cana, a tech startup that was trying to build an appliance that could create and customize virtually any beverage, was shut down late last week. Cana received $30 million in funding in January of 2022, but despite having a prototype and brand partners, could not raise funding necessary to start production for manufacturing and shipping of appliances. In turn, they have laid off all their employees and are ending all business operations. Finally, Telenav, a Bay Area-based wireless location services organization, has announced that they will be closing their office in Cluj-Napoca, Romania by end of 2024. The activities previously performed at that location will be shifted to other Telenav locations in the US and China. 172 employees will be impacted by this location shutdown, and Telenav has announced that the affected staff are being offered a comprehensive support package to help them during the transition.